Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to conrow your hair, but I'm not gonna be doing my own hair. This is someone else's head, clearly. Yeah, so I started off by taking out everything that was on the head and moisturizing, because you definitely want to moisturize hair before you start doing a protective style. Work that in. She has low porosity, so it took a minute to work that in. Yeah. The next thing you want to do is to part the hair, depending on how many cornrows you want to have on the head. I was going for 4, and here I am parting the hair. I'm not so good at parting, you have to forgive me on that. So this is it. Here is how we're going to do it. In one cornrow you want to separate that into 2, and then you want to pick hair from one side and push it to the other side, like you see on the video, and then pick hair on this other side and push it on the other side. Basically, we're picking hair from the left side and pushing it to the right side, and then we pick hair on the right side and push it to the left side, as we go on and on and on. Once you get the hang of it, it's really gonna be so easy. I like this style because it helps me to keep hair separately, and to just have the conrow neat. I also do know how to do the other way, but I just prefer this style more, and this is the easiest style if you are a beginner also. Yeah, this is how I learned how to do conrows at first, because it just gives you a better space to work and to conrow the hair. So what we're doing basically is my left hand. We are working with the thumb and the first 2 fingers. That's majorly what we are working with in this process. So we're just basically picking hair from one side and pushing it to the other side, as you can see in the video. With a lot of practice, you're gonna get the hang of it, and it's gonna be easier. Of course, the first time you try this, it's not gonna come out looking good or neat and whatnot, but once you continue practicing over and over again, you're gonna get it, and it's gonna be neat and looking good and firm. I'm gonna do a video on how to conrow in the other style. This one, I feel like this is the best way for a beginner to start conrowing, because this is the easiest way, and this is how I also learned. But I'm gonna do another way for someone who is like an intermediate or something. This is how it looks like from the front view. As you can see, we're working with the first 3 fingers on both hands, left and right, and we are just picking hair from one side and pushing it to the other side while separating the hair. So towards the end of the hair, I like to do a twist, just so that when you're taking down the cornrows, you do not have like breakage and whatnot. And then I put them into a twist. The 4 cornrows, I put them into a twist and tuck that in. And this is how the hair is looking. Forgive me for parting. The parts are not in a straight line. Well, I need to practice. I really do hope that you've learned something. And that's gonna be it for this video, guys. See you in another video. Bye bye.